How to save your file in Canva, download your design to your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about your basic Canva art and how you're going to save your file in Canva. So all you're going to do is you're going to go to any design. So let's say I have this design over here and I want to save it into my PC. So to save it into your PC, all you're going to do from here is you're going to open up your design. And once your design is fully opened up and everything, all you're going to do from there is you're going to go to the top right where it says share. Okay, and in the share section, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the type of file you want to download. So you click on download, choose the file type, whatever you want to download. So let's say I have this file type and I want to download it in PNG. I'm going to keep it in PNG, but you also have different things like PDF brand, PDF standard, SVG, MP4, GIF, and JPEG. I'm going to keep it in PNG and click on download. And once you click on download, it's going to download the PNG really easy, really simply, and there you go. So there we have our saved file. You can open it, check it, and there you go. So basically, that's how you can save a file in Canva in the easiest way possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.